What's up everyone, and welcome back to the Housecall Pro channel. Today we're going to be breaking down everything you need to know about time tracking in Housecall Pro. How your techs actually track their hours, logging those hours automatically, pulling data and reports so you can improve your business, and running a clean payroll, so you can see exactly how time tracking works in Housecall Pro. Alright, so when your techs track their hours, they're going to do it right through the Housecall Pro app. I'm going to pull it up on my phone. Here it is. When they open the app, the two buttons at the top are the main ways they track their hours. The button on the left is the clock in, clock out button. If they tap it, it starts a timer that counts up. That timer will count up until they clock out. And when they're ready to end their day, they tap it again. Boom. And that time is automatically logged. Now let's say your tech wants to see how long they've been working for. They click the button on the right, the time card. This shows them all the information about when they clocked in, when they clocked out, and the day that they did it, so that they can see it themselves. If they want to go back, they click the left arrow on the left side. Now once your techs are clocked in, they're going to go to individual jobs to log their hours there. So let's say they have a job coming up on Sunday, June 21st. They're going to click into the job. And there are two main buttons on the screen that help them log their hours. The first is On My Way. So before they leave, they're going to click this button, add your phone number so you don't get this little pop-up. They're going to click On My Way in the bottom right. This way they don't have to text the customer while they're going. The customer gets notified, and then when they show up, they're going to click Start My Time. They click the button. They can add a note. Let's say there was traffic. They can just add traffic. Click Start in the top right. And their time starts getting automatically logged. As you can see, there is a counter in the top right of this box that is now going up. Now let's say something happens, they don't have a material, they need to take a break or a phone call. They're going to click, apologies, pause my time. Another page is going to open up. Now here they're going to tell you why they needed to leave or stop working. They're going to click completed my work, material needed, break, or they can write notes in the bottom. Let's say bear came through. There's a bear on the service site. Great. Then when they're ready to pause, they're going to click pause in the top right. And as you can see, the counter will now stop and there's a new button, Start My Time. Again, once they're ready to go back onto the job, they will click that one more time, click Start in the top right. And when they're ready to finish the job, they're going to click Finish Job in the job status tile. They click that, finish in the bottom right. Job marked as complete will come up on the screen, and everything they just did is automatically logged. They didn't have to lift a finger. You don't have to lift a finger. The customer doesn't have to correspond with you. It's done. Now let's say your tech forgot to clock in, or they forgot to click a button. They clicked the wrong one. They can edit their time on the job. In the top left of this box, you can see time started. If they click on that text, it will bring them to this page. In the top right, they can click this little blue pencil and edit the hours it took to get to the job or time spent in the field. For example, let's say my total travel time here is 0. That can't be correct. It took me 15 minutes to drive over. Total time on the job was 45 minutes. They click save, and it's going to end up on your side in the Housecall Pro app. So let's find out how to get there. So once you're on the Housecall Pro dashboard, you're going to click the My Apps button in the top right. This grid of small squares. This will also take you to the App Store. You should go check it out. And on the upper left side is the timesheets dashboard. Here, everything is broken down by employee. So for example, these are all of Marcus Webb's timesheets. It's tracked for every single day that he was on the job, clocked in through the app. And it breaks down the type of hours, regular, overtime, double overtime. You can also filter the timesheet by clicking this drop down and selecting which of your techs or team members you want to be visible at any given time. As you can see, that changed the timesheet. You can also set a custom date range if you want to check a specific period. So for example, if an employee says they worked 80 hours in December, you can verify that and pulling their hours right from there. Now let's say you want to edit an existing time. All you have to do is click on one of the tiles and this will pull up this sidebar. Now there's a bunch of options here. One thing you can do is add a new entry. For example, here I can add paid time off by selecting it from the drop down and then add the hours in the box on the right. Or if I want to remove a job, I can click the gray circle with an X to remove the entry. Or if I want to edit an entry, I can click the blue pencil next to the gray delete icons, and that will open up the same menu as before. Once you're done, you click the blue floppy disk icon to save the entry. And you can also mark a time entry as paid with that little toggle in the upper right. Additionally, when your techs clock in and record jobs from the app, it's going to show up on this map. This lets you see the start and end locations for jobs so you can build more effective routing and dispatching. And when Payroll comes around, this is going to make the process significantly cleaner because you're not going to have to build a timesheet manually or try to remember what happened. It's already here in one place. So when you're in your timesheet dashboard, first go to the top left, set that time period, whatever you want to export. Let's say everything from the past week. Then in the top right, click Export. Open it up, and it's one clean CSV with your dates, your employees, their clock in and clock out times, and their totals. Also in the top right is our Payroll add-on that makes getting your techs paid and a bunch of other stuff very easy. You can automatically sync everything in your timesheet to your payroll, see all of your payments, and set up payment schedules, and some really important stuff like potential insurance and benefits, HR tools like training and compliance resources, and really important stuff like tax documents, so you can keep running your business smoothly. We offer 3 different plans so you can choose the one that works the best for your business, so go check it out in the Payroll section of your Housecall Pro app. Now listen, once time tracking is part of how you run every single job, you now have an accurate picture of how your business is actually functioning. How long does each job take? Are your techs working efficiently? Use time tracking so you can actually know what's going on in your business, how you can improve it, do better for your customers, which in the end of the day means you make more money. Thank you so much for watching. Please click subscribe if you want to watch more videos, tutorials on Housecall Pro product releases, webinars. But if you have a question, comment, or concern, please drop it in the comments. We will respond immediately and point you in the right direction. Thanks for watching.